Okay, we're going to take a look at boat pose, Navasana. There's lots of variations, but we'll just look at the sort of standard alignment in this posture. So the best way I think to get into it is to tuck the hands behind the knees, and then we're just going to start shifting the weight onto the sort of upper part of the bum, I'd say, so back to the bottom part of the spine. And so once you start getting that sweet spot, your toes will start lifting up. And then as you raise the legs up, you'll find that you want to start rounding the spine. But what we're looking for is to roll those shoulders back and to keep that chest nice and proud. And make sure that you're breathing, because it's really easy to forget about breathing because you're really trying to hold everything in, trying to make everything tight. Releasing the belly can actually make this a little bit easier. So really try and make sure that you're releasing that belly. And then from here, you can stay here. If this feels good, if that is your boat, then you go with your boat here. You can try and release the hands. And if we're going into full boat pose, then we're lifting our legs up straight. But trying to keep that chest nice and proud. But by all means, keep hold of the backs of the legs and really work at this stage. You can also lift one leg up at a time. And you can work in that. But the main thing we really want to try and focus on is if you feel the chest rolling in and you start to round the spine, then pull the chest up, roll the shoulders back and engage those lats to try and pull your shoulder blades together. And that should help with your balance in this pose. And that's essentially it. So this would be a half boat. With your legs outstretched, that would be your full boat. Give it a go. Take your time with it. Try some variations. And that's about it.